Hi, welcome back to Smart Harsha's channel. We are going to prepare Ganesh with clay. Here I am using two colors of clay, yellow and orange, because I like both of the colors. And this is for body, this is for head, this is for legs, these are for hands, these are for ears, this is for mushak, this is for trunk, these are eyes for our Ganesha and mushak. These are decorating items, these are laddu, and this is one plate to keep our laddus. So let's start. This is body for our Ganesh and these are legs. Let's start to keep our legs. Keep. Now legs and body is completed. Now let's move to head. Here the head is fixed. Now these are hands, so let's keep hands. I am rolling them like this. Now here I keep our Ganesh hands. Now time to keep ears. Now one ear is fixed. One ear to go. Now ears are completed. Now time to make trunk. Now I will here it is. The trunk is fixed. Now time to make mouse. Now time to keep eyes for Mushak and Ganesh. Here are the eyes. Here for Ganesh, eyes are fixed. Now for Mushak. Here, eyes are fixed for Mushak too. Now it's time for designing items. Now I'm fixing to our Ganesh. Now I am keeping this kundans here. Our Ganesh is completed. Now it's time for keeping this chain to our Ganesh. It is fixed. Now it's time for keep laddus to Mushak and our Ganesh. 5 laddus. Oops. Kiri just fall down. I was fixed. Now I am keeping laddus in the plate. And one for Mushak. Another one for our Ganesh. I am taking this